Right everyone, I hope you're good. As you might have seen, we've just been walking up a big, humongous hill. Well, I thought it was pretty humongous anyway. We are walking up the side of, in fact, we've kind of done it now, up the side of Cheddar Gorge, and I've flown the Mini 4 a couple of times. I've done a bit with the Avata so far, with the Avata 2, and I intend to do a little bit more, but I'm just trying to be careful because I'm doing it on quiet spots where obviously when I go down the side of the hill, I don't want to be going near moving cars and things like that. I'll put a video together and I hope you enjoy the views because this is I've not been here before and it's an amazing place, so you should check it out yourselves as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm now enjoying this nice pint of Madry at the bottom of Cheddar Gorge. It's not Foster's, as it says on the glass. And it's my birthday tomorrow, so my mate's driving back. So hope you've all had a good weekend, day, week, whatever it is, and take care. What is this beer again? Yeah. Okay, right. Right guys, thanks for what fuck's sake. Right, here we go.
Your food will come out like in the
middle. No, let's do it, let's do it.
If the food comes out in the middle of it, that's on.
Thanks for watching everyone. I'm now enjoying and again, one more. So I'm gonna enjoy this pint nicely and I don't have to drive home because my mate Kris is driving home and off. I'm doing it again. Right, I'm not doing that. Right there. I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I am now enjoying a nice beer and it's not a Foster's, it's a Madry in a nice pub at the bottom of Cheddar Gorge after all that walking and flying, and it's my birthday tomorrow, so I'm not even driving back. I screwed that up.